Straseni, a quiet district in the vicinity of Chisinau, the capital of Moldova. But Straseni faces a major environmental threat. The presence of huge amounts of obsolete pesticides, stored in very bad conditions in old buildings and even buried in the ground.
You can see the same storage from 358 storage from the Republic of Moldova. All storage are in very deployed situation. There is 3,000 tons of dangerous chemicals, which included more or 100 types of pesticides, which consist 25% of DDT.
NATO is involved in this project because Moldova is one of NATO's partners, and we are working together on problems of environmental security.
On 7th November 2006, during a symposium attended by Mr. Voronin, President of the Republic of Moldova, 2 NATO projects dealing with this major environmental security problem were officially launched.
Persistent and very serious problem here in Moldova.
Through the first project, a NATO Trust Fund project, the obsolete pesticides are being repackaged and stored in safe conditions in a limited number of sites. Through a complementary NATO Science for Peace project, a modern analytical laboratory was created to allow chemical identification of the pesticides.
NATO is not only providing a laboratory, but most importantly, we provide training to the local experts. We have technicians from Moldova, scientists from Moldova, going to countries abroad, to Belgium, to Norway, in order to get adequate training so that they can operate the sophisticated equipment we have provided themselves.
In the special register, register the MOD code, the date of sampling and the central code.
We hope that this laboratory will continue to grow. We hope that Moldova will also invest in this laboratory in order that it becomes a reference center for the whole country.
Under the Trust Fund mechanism led by Romania and Belgium, with NAMSA as NATO's executing agency, all pesticides are repackaged and stored in safe conditions at a limited number of sites. Then, samples of each lot are taken for chemical identification in the analytical laboratory established by NATO's Science for Peace project.
We can repackage into UN-approved repackaging materials, and after that the old pesticides cannot link in the soil and contaminate and pollute the water.
The repackaging work will be completed in spring 2007, but more needs to be done. Through NATO's Science for Peace project, the analytical laboratory will be upgraded to allow quality control of agricultural products to achieve food safety. However, further support by NATO nations to the Trust Fund is essential for an environmentally safe destruction of the chemicals and obsolete pesticides which are now stored in safe conditions. The NATO Science for Peace project and the NATO Trust Fund project, together with the efforts and support of the Republic of Moldova, will finally free the country from a serious threat to its environment and to the health of the population. Moreover, these projects will lead to substantial improvement of the quality of agricultural products and thus contribute to the economic development of Moldova, a country largely dependent on agriculture.